How to fill up form on PDF on mobile. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have downloaded the Microsoft 365 application in your mobile device. If not, open up the Play Store in your mobile device and on the search bar type in Microsoft Office. There you will find the Microsoft Office application, so make sure that it is installed. Once it is installed, open up the application and you have to make sure that you're logged in with one of your account. Once you're logged in and you land on this create page. So to get started, you have to select the PDF from this interface. Now it will ask you that if you would like to capture a photo or import a photo, import document or merge PDF. So if you would like to capture with a photo, go to the first one, or if you would like to import, then tap on import a photo. From here you have to select your PDF image or PDF form, and after that tap on this arrow icon from the bottom right corner. You can edit this image either by cropping or rotating. Here I will just crop this right here. After you're done, tap on review and edit button. Now here you can enter text, you can crop, and there are multiple other options such as rotate, ink or delete. So from there select text. Now a text box will pop up. So first of all, if you have to enter your first name, so type in your first name. Here you get to select the color. So simply highlight with the white color. And once you're done with that, you have to go back and then drag this box where their first name is located in this form. Since I have first name right here in this form, so I'll just put it there. And you can do similar with the last name, with the email, with the phone number or any other information required to fill up your form by simply adding a text box, typing your text and placing it on this position. And once you're done, simply tap on finish. After that, you can name your form from here at the text box by tapping on this edit or pin icon. And there you get to select the size of your file as well and the location to save your file. If you like to save to your drive, tap on OneDrive, or if you just like to save to your phone, tap on save to phone. So that's how you fill up form on PDF on mobile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.